Hey everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Have you ever stumbled upon those faceless YouTube channels, Instagram accounts, or TikTok pages where the creator don't show their faces, but the content is still incredibly engaging? I'm sure you have seen them. They are everywhere. In fact, statistics shows that some of these faceless channels are making anywhere from 5,000 US dollars to 15,000 US dollars per month, depending on their niche and engagement. Have you ever thought about creating your very own faceless channel? What if I told you that you can start your own channel without ever showing your face and actually make money from it? Well, today we will explore how to do just that using a tool that makes everything easier. Wondershare Virbo. So let's talk about Wondershare Virbo. It's an AI-powered video creation tool that allows you to turn text into engaging videos, compete with AI avatars, voiceovers, and more. This tool is perfect for creating faceless videos, whether you are creating YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or TikToks. Virbo has everything you need to get started, no camera or editing skill required. Stick around because we will work through a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Virbo to create a faceless channel. And don't forget, there's a link to Virbo in the description below. If others can do it, so can you. So the very first step is apply for your own channel. So if you plan to run your business on YouTube, then you should apply for the YouTube channel account. After that, you are able to customize your channel. The name of your channel is very important because it is how your audience remember you, and also same for the profile image. So you can use Stable Diffusion or Midjourney to generate an image for you. So here I'm using this cute girl. Oh, don't forget to type your description for your channel. You can write, this is a faceless channel. After that, in YouTube Studio, you can find a lot of inspiration. And for example, like I'm typing faceless channel. So here's a keyword that the user would like to see on YouTube, but right now we don't have enough content, which is good for us because this is how we can start our business. I want to use this one. What is faceless YouTube channel as a keywords and also as our topic? And when we have our topic for our first video, we can open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a script for us. For example, and ChatGPT now helping us to write down the script for our first video. Don't forget to leave out all the indicators, so we only need the lines for the host. Then go to the verbo.wondershare.com, and here we are able to start our journey with faceless video. So if you are new here, no worries, you can sign in with a Google account like me, and you can download the software, but you can also start online for free. Wow, so nice. We have this very clean dashboard and very nice UI. And on the top, we can see we can create an avatar and we can make the photo talking. So if you already generate characters from Midjourney or Stable Diffusion and it's a static image, right? But by Virbo, you can make them talking. And also you can use the video translation to translate your content to different languages to expand your market. Oh, and if you have an Amazon shop or Shopify, You can copy the link, and within 1 minute, your video will be generated by your content. Amazing. So you don't need to hire any model, any host for your product. That's incredibly efficiency, and I think this is a revolution in marketing world. So we are building an AI avatar from here. So Virbo have this feature that you can create your own avatar, or you can select one of the avatar from the list. And also, if you're keen to have this marketing video instead of the introduction video, you can use this template as well. I want to make a faceless video with a host in the very nice background. So this time just randomly pick up an avatar. And when we're hovering this avatar, we have this button, create video, and we can select the aspect ratio from here. So if you want to promote your video in TikTok, you might use this one. And if you want to publish your video in YouTube, long video, use this one. So let's click here. Wow, this young lady already sits here. And when we click here, we can play the voice.
Welcome to Wondershare Virbo.
So basically, she just speaks the text in here. And here we have a timeline, so which means it's not only the places that generate the AI avatar, but also here is a video editing tool, which means you can add a task from here. A new layer was added to the timeline, and you can drag this test layer to anywhere you want it to be. Also, there are a lot of the cute sticker here, and some of them are animated, so if you want them, you click here. Wow, you have a nice Christmas tree. Of course, we cannot live with music, right? So click here to preview the music. And you can click the use button. So if you have more to import, for example, like the video or image, you can click here. Then you can even add another static image beside the character. But right now, let's delete them. For the templates, there are many more commercial templates for you to use. So if you are a marketing specialist, you can use them to provide your product, to introduce your product to your audiences. And they even have a categories from advertisements to e-commerce, anything you name it. But for me, I want to run a faceless YouTube channel. So let's click the avatars. Not only we have this nice lady, but also we have some characters with transparent background, like this gentleman. Since the character is transparent, we can change the background. So if you want animated background, you can find them here. And when you click, amazing. And you can play the video.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered about creating a YouTube channel but didn't want to
see, the character is correct, but the voice is still a female's voice. So we can click here to replace the voice. Remember, I said that the Virbo have a very strong voiceover feature, and here we are. For example, like the languages, we have tons of the languages in the whole world. For example, like the English, and from the gender, we can select the male or female. So here I want to select the male. And we have different things. For example, like a tutorial, like the advertisement, or like the speech. So here I'm using the storytelling. So we can preview the voice by click this play button.
The world is round.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done.
Oh, this one's so deep. I might use this Thomas and click the select. So here we will preview the video.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel.
And we are able to hide the subtitles if you don't want them. And we can change the aspect ratio from here. So if you are running a TikTok channel, you can use this one. And for the text, we can double click and to add it. But when we click the preview, the character is not speak anything, right? That is because we are not generate it yet. So we can click the export.
Welcome back to the channel.
Wow, we are already done. Let's click the download button. I think the result is very satisfying and we are able to create as many as we want.
Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered about creating a YouTube channel, but didn't want to put your face on camera, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the concept of faceless YouTube channels, what they are, why they're becoming so popular.
Oh, another good news, everyone! We have a decorate Virbo avatar contest. This challenge overs Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year. You can decorate your avatar with a Christmas tree, or stickers, or anything cute or cool. And then you get a chance to win a brand new iPhone 16. Don't forget to check this link in the description. And I got a feeling you will be the champion. Also, is that too early to say Merry Christmas? Let's go back and make another one. And this time I want to create a 4K video with this beautiful girl. Click here and we can
Wondershare
preview.
Virbo. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
So nice! And we can click the create video button. So if you are select the character in the settings, you cannot change the background. And here we can type our script and click the export. And this time we have this button, 4K. I think this is a very tempting because 4K is always be a dream for me. Let's click that 4K and export.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered about creating a YouTube channel but didn't want to put your face on camera, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the concept of faceless YouTube channels, what they are, why they're becoming so popular, and how you can start one yourself. So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's get into it. A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. It's a channel where the creator doesn't appear on camera. Instead, they focus on creating content where their identity is hidden. This could mean using voiceovers, animations, stock footage, or even just text and music. It's all about the content, not the creator's personal image. Faceless channels can cover almost any niche, from gameplay and tutorials to ASMR, tech reviews, and even storytelling. The key is that the creator chooses to keep their identity private, either for personal reasons or simply to maintain a certain brand aesthetic.
But the AI avatar is not the only way that Virbo can provide us. We also have a talking photo. Let me explore for you. So first we click the create video and we have so many images. For example, let's say if we want to create a video for the TikTok, we can use this girl and click the next. And here we can input our text. And if you get tired, switch to ChatGPT. Also, we have this AI script. So click here and enter your requirements. Let's say, okay, we already have it. So click the apply and now click the create video. We can use standard or pro.
Welcome to a whole new world of design, the world of user experience, UX, design. In today's fast-paced digital era, creating a seamless and enjoyable user experience is crucial for the success of any product or service.
So now let's try to use this AI translation. So I'm targeting to use the Chinese maybe. Click apply. And this time I want to have the background music. So click here. Wow, we have so many. Yeah, maybe this one, click the use. And by the way, if you have an audio script, you can also upload here. So instead of the text script, you can also use the voice as a script. Okay, so now let's click the create video.
那么在现实世界中，这是什么样的呢？让我们快速来看一些例子吧。
And also, you can use the video translation if you want to translate your video. You can directly upload your video and click the original language and the target language. And you can also add the subtitle. Amazing. Oh, and also for the shoppers, if you have a link of your product, you can directly paste it here. So it supports Amazon, Shopify, eBay, anything else, and you can click here and generates. And then you're able to generate a video based on the link that you provide. Amazing. Now that you know how to create a faceless channel and monetize it, why wait? Wondershare Virbo is a perfect tool to make it happen. Check out the link in the description for more details and get started today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of channel you are planning to create with Virbo. See you next time. Bye bye.